In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Bitpanda account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in bitpanda.com. Press enter. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is very simple. Simply click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Bitpanda. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email address and password. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Once you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. After recovering it, simply enter the password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, if two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll also have to go through the authentication process and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Bitpanda account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.